Hi kids, welcome to Enhance Your Learning Environmental Studies for Grade 2 Unit 8 Materials Lesson 17 Materials Around Us. To watch my previous lessons, subscribe to Enhance Your Learning. After completion of every lesson, I will be uploading a quiz link in the description box. Make your kids to attend the quiz and assess their knowledge. In this class, we are going to see about materials around us. What do you mean by materials? Material is a substance or a mixture of substance that is used to make any object. Okay, so there are many materials like we have cotton, we have wool, then silk, right? These are all raw materials. We are processed into different stages and we are getting something out of it, right? So these are all called materials. So material means it is a substance or mixture of substance that constitutes an object. Okay, so these materials we are using to make any non-living objects. For example, furniture, then bed, then clothes. Like that, we use different raw materials in order to make many non-living things. So these materials are very useful for human being, right? Every home will have a table, chair or sofa or the cot or mattress. So these are all the necessary item for human being, right? So these all we made from the different materials. Okay kids? Yes. So in this class we are going to see about two different materials. Okay? Natural materials and man-made materials. What are the natural materials? We have land. In plants are useful, animals are useful. The natural materials are wood, rubber, leather, textile fiber, crude oil, rocks and metals. And what are the man-made materials? Man-made materials are glass, plastics and paper. Okay, these all comes under man-made material. Now we will see one by one. The first one is wood. So every year there are many trees are being chopped or cut off for different purpose of living being. For example, in order to make furniture, doors, windows, okay, cupboards, we need wood. So what we will do? We will cut off the tree in order to make all these items, and some people also build wood hut with the help of this wood. Okay kids? Next one is rubber. Rubber is made out of sap of the rubber tree. What is this sap? Sap is otherwise called as latex. Okay, what is this sap? I have told you already. The white juicy milk which comes from the rubber tree is called sap. Okay, or latex. Okay, so rubber is made out of sap of the rubber tree. For what we will use this rubber? Yes, to make tire, eraser, raincoat, then shoes, balloons, then tubes. Okay, so there are many uses of this rubber. Next we'll move on to leather. So from where do we get this leather? Yes, leather is a animal material and we will get this leather from the skin of dead animals. So these skin of dead animals are called as cattle hide. So this cattle hide are being processed to get the leather, and from this leather we will get the different products like handbags, purse, belt, shoes, gloves. Okay, all leather products we get out of this leather. Next one is textile fibers. Okay, can you name some of the textile fibers? Yes, good. Cotton, silk, wool. Okay, so these are all the main textile fibers. Okay, so from where do we get cotton? We get cotton from cotton plants. From where do we get silk? Yes, we get silk from silkworms. And from where do we get wool? We get wool from sheep. Okay, kids? Next we are going to see about crude oil. So from where do we get this crude oil? Crude oil is found deep below the surface of earth. And how come it will come out from the earth? Yes, it will be pumped out through the pipes. And what is the use of this crude oil? Crude oil is used to get petrol, diesel and the fuel for other automobiles. Okay, kids? Next one is rocks. So there are different types of rocks available in the surface earth. So we get sand, clay and stones from different types of these rocks. Okay, clay is used to make bricks. So with the help of brick, sand and stone, we used to build a beautiful home, then different buildings, then different bridges. For everything we use this sand, bricks and stones. Okay, kids? Next one is metals. Metals are found on ground. There are many different types of metals like iron, steel, aluminium, copper, gold. There are many metals. Okay, so what is the use of this metal? How you will use this metal? Yes, the metals are useful to make machines or different engines and to make different tools and to make kitchen utensils and different ornaments, gold ornaments or silver ornaments. Okay, kids? Next we are going to see about man-made materials. So what are the man-made materials I told already? Glass, plastics and paper. Okay, now we will see about glass. Glass is made out of sand. Can you believe this? You have to believe it. Okay, yes, because when we are heating this sand in a very high temperature like 2400 degree Fahrenheit, yeah, you will get this glass. So what is the use of this glass? Glass is used to make glass bottles, spectacles for lens, mirror, bulb. Then for making window pans we used to use this glass, right? And glass is considered as a oldest form of man-made material. Okay, kids? The next man-made material is plastics. Plastic is made out of crude oil. Okay, so why we are using these plastics? Plastics are used to make different containers, then plastic chair, tables, okay, and food wrapping materials, and some of the kids toys are made out of plastic, and also other household items are made out of plastics. Okay, kids? The last one is paper. So from where do we get paper? Yes, we get paper from bamboo tree and the wood pulp of different trees. So these two are the natural product, but when we are processing it into different forms we get paper. So paper is considered as man-made material. Okay, so why we are using this paper? Yes, we are using this paper to print the books, notebooks and some of the other stationery materials. Okay, kids? Now we are going to see about some of the additional points. The sap of rubber tree need to be treated with chemicals in order to make it strong and elastic. Okay, then the hardest material found on earth is diamond. Materials like plastic, glass and metals take long time to break down. The silicon chip inside our computer is made from sand. Okay kids, in this class we have learned about materials and what are the different types of materials. It is natural materials and man-made materials. What are the natural materials? Wood, rubber, leather, textile fibers, crude oil, rocks and metals. And what are the man-made materials? Glass, plastics and paper. If you have any doubt, pause the video, play back again, then understand the lesson. By this, I am completing lesson 17, materials around us. If you have any doubt, pause the video, go back and play it again and understand the lesson. Find the attached quiz link available in the description box and attend the quiz and assess your knowledge. Okay kids? Thank you.